What are we doing? What are we doing? I'm gonna follow you until you say what we're doing. What are we doing?
We are pulling a motor.
Why do you hate the fucking videos?
I don't know if I could be in this thing.
Why not?
I don't know.
Ryan, you don't like the videos? You're wearing a Fred sweater.
No videos.
Why not?
No videos. So
this is a 2002 Grand Cherokee with a 4-liter in it, which is that's my old bushing. I was dead shot on my shoulder blade. So I'm gonna take this motor. Does it have AC? I think it has AC. It does have AC. Will this AC work in my AC? No. So yeah, I'm taking the motor. The vehicle is not mine. The motor is. I've paid for it. And then once the motor is out, everything else goes in. All the junk goes in it, and we get rid of the Jeep. What's step 1?
Take the hood off.
Okay, I'll take the fucking hood off then, Ryan. Okay, before anybody says anything, I have no idea what I'm doing.
First of all, it's the wrong motor for the Jeep.
It's not wrong, it's just different.
It ain't gonna go.
It's gonna go! It is going to go, I promise you. I need that, don't break it. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've watched a couple videos. Ryan used to work at Canadian Tire, so he might know what he's doing. But we're gonna figure this out and try and pull the motor on a Friday night. Okay, problem 1 is the bolts that take the battery out.
That's
Okay, I'm fucking struggling, alright? It's not a 10 nut.
That's not how you get a battery
Then
out.
how do you do it?
Dude, how is this guy gonna do it?
I don't know, man. I've never done this. We're hammering a screw into a tranny pan. Gaten approves.
No, I don't approve.
How are we doing a tranny in Canada? Jesus. It's inflammable. It's ATF flammable.
It's not.
Minty. Step 2, drain the rad. Jaden's on it. She's pissing everywhere. I hope there's enough space in the bucket for it all. How are we making out here, boss?
Off with the videos.
Why didn't you like the videos? This is YouTube. You heard of that?
No. Pornhub?
Pornhub? Oh yeah. Okay, so it's the next day. This is how far we got. Got a whole front end apart. Ryan, you don't like my YouTube videos. Tony's cutting fuel lines. There's one more bolt on the tranny. I gotta take the torque, I gotta unbolt the torque converter, and then I gotta wrap the motor mounts. We'll figure it out. The motor mounts are leaving the chat. It's a process. Quite warm. Okay, how do I show you? Oh, there we go. Motor mount 1 cut. Motor mount 2 cut.
Did you film cutting it?
A little bit. But, so what do we do? Set it down and rip her out?
Rip her out, bud.
Yeah?
Set it out.
Yeah?
I'll be back.
Alright. Alright, Mr. Pardew, how the f do you use this red contraption?
We gotta get this guy in.
Okay, it's day 3 now. And you guys, okay, one thing you guys might be wondering is why I'm wearing the same clothes in the last 3 days. It's because I know I'm gonna be getting dirty, so there's no point in putting on a new set of clothes. Number 2, I've not watched any videos on this at all. I basically came in here with Ryan and I said, what are we doing? And he kind of talked me through it. There's a couple more bolts that are a big pain in the ass to get at that I'll try and show you. So, it's so difficult. There's one, can I even see it on the freaking camera? Yeah. So there's one way down in there that's holding the tranny to the motor. There's another one. I got the light on it. You can kind of see it. That one. There's another one underneath that bolt that's bolted from the tranny to the motor that I gotta try and wedge my hand in there and get on the backside. So, I mean, like, the motor is free. Like, the motor is free. My dad blew all the motor mounts off with the torches. So the motor is free. It's just not free from the tranny. And I could pull motor and trans, but if I did that, I'd have to take the front drive shaft off, the rear drive shaft off, and the transfer case off, which I'm not doing. So we're gonna hopefully get this motor out today, and hopefully this is the last day of f***ing around with this stupid 2002 Grand Cherokee ship box. I missed, how many bolts did I miss? 3?
Yeah.
Was it 3? 4?
4.
I missed 4, so now hopefully we can wrap the chains around it and rip it out. All right, Billy Sergeant, you ready to pull a 4-liter?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Slight interruption. Where were we? Keep coming up.
Oh yeah, bud.
Okay, good to go. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Yeah, keep going. One hair more.
Nice.
It's out.
Engine, boys. Now, how do we put it on the stand?
You gotta line up the stand to here. and
So
bolt it
can we
off.
push this thing out now? Clean up all
Yeah,
the
you
tools
gotta
off
clean
it,
up the
push it out?
tools. Yeah, clean up the tools and stuff off of it. And
Leave that there for now. Okay, well, the motor's on the stand. I took the wiring harness off, and I'm gonna have to take the AC condenser off and these motor mounts off because my motor mounts should bolt onto this block, so this block will bolt into my Jeep. Hey, I'm vlogging. But my plan is to take the fuel rail off of this and the coil pack rail off of it, and hopefully put it on mine, and hope mine will run better. And then I want to build this motor. If I can't do that and I have to put this motor in, I will, and then probably get another motor later on down the road to build. I was thinking just like a small stroke and cam, maybe a supercharger. I don't know. I have not thought that far ahead at all.
Turbo, bud.
Turbo 4-liter. That is it that I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I made this video enjoyable. It was a lot of time lapse and it was a lot of us kind of fucking around. So I hope you guys found it funny, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. I gotta wash my hands because I'm quite dirty, but I'll see you guys next time. Boom! I can't cover the camera because my hands are dirty.